How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this lovely Suzuki GSX1300R Hayabusa. So guys, this one is a 2016 on a 16 plate. It's done 13,858 miles, and as you can see, it is a lovely bike. You've got the twin Yoshimura exhaust, you've got a tail tidy, you've got the seat cowl. Comes with some Pazzo levers, you've got the brake and the clutch lever, and it's also got some Gilles rear sets. It's an ABS model, different power mode model. You get the fuel gauge, you get gear indicator, rev counter speedo goes up to 180 mile an hour as well. Got some funky grips on there as well. Not really nice clean bike. I'm sure you'll be really happy with it. You've got some R&G protection, and I think that is everything. These are a fantastic bike to ride. They're so smooth, but yet they're big and comfortable. So proper big traditional old school muscle bike. If you do want it, you know what to do. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call. We can send that to you. We offer finance as well. Finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring. You know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.